it, man. What'd you think of all that?
Peak. Amazing.
Yeah, do you like the canopy, the parachute, or the free fall part more?
I think the free fall was just, I kind of wish there was less clouds,
Yeah.
but free fall.
It takes away a little bit of the view, but man, are they pretty up there, dude.
Cool.
Thanks for going with me.
Of course, man.
Dude, come on.